feelings I don't understand. Combing your hair with your hand gives me feelings I don't understand. You do this thing when you're biting your lip. It's driving me crazy just looking at it. You know me better than I know myself. I don't wanna live in a world without you. You do this thing when you're biting your lip. It's driving me crazy just looking at it. You know me better than I know myself. I don't wanna live in a world without you. World without you. Driving me crazy just looking at it. World without you. Driving me crazy just looking at it. You do this thing when you're biting your lip. World without you. Driving me crazy just looking at it. Driving me crazy just looking at it. Combing your hair with your hand gives me feelings I don't understand. Combing your hair with your hand gives me feelings I don't understand. You do this thing when you're biting your lip. It's driving me crazy just looking at it. You know me better than I know myself. I don't wanna live in a world without you. You do this thing when I'm talking to you, like everything freezes and it's just us two. You do this thing when I'm talking to you, like everything freezes and it's just us two. You do this thing when you're biting your lip. It's driving me crazy just looking at it. You know me better than I know myself. I don't wanna live in a world without you. Give it to me like world without you. Driving me crazy just looking at it. World without you. Driving me crazy just looking at it. You do this thing when you're biting your lip. World without you. Driving me crazy just looking at it. Driving me crazy just looking at it. You do this thing when you're biting your lip. It's driving me crazy just looking at it. You know me better than I know myself. I don't wanna live in a world without you.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everybody. So this week we actually stayed on schedule, it seems. But, yeah, so starting to get things imported into, Unreal Engine here. And ran into a bit of a boo-boo. Well, not a super big boo-boo, but still a boo-boo nonetheless. Music starting. Mm-hmm. 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 Of course. Mm-hmm. Which? Mm-hmm. 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 Doopy-doopy-doo. That should help. Alright, so part of the problem I'm having with this right now is, man, actually, This looks so much better than what the hell it looks like in Unity. Unity just... I fucking hate using Unity so much. Like in here, everything looks good. Looks like it's textured right. In Unity, it looks like it's all like washed out and looks like garbage. This is where the procedural materials actually look way better than just using shaders. But as you can see here, this right here, that bad size thing, that's the spawn capsule. Which wouldn't be a major issue if, since this is just my virtual studio. But problem is, I load in, click in here to do stuff. First being really finicky. As it pushed me out of the damn box. They didn't even pick it up on the stream. Dark Luna, thank you very much for the like on my post. Oh, at least it's actual VTuber. Not one of those GFX things. That's close. Why is it not? Oh, it's not picking up anymore. But let's do it this way. I want to right click whenever I know it's not right. Now Unreal Engine's acting all goofy. And there's Nyx. Want them to turn black in their summer clothes. Come on, load up. This is the sort of stuff that drives me to drinking. How more developers aren't like raging alcoholics is beyond me. Then again, most developers probably aren't doing this shit live on stream. I'd say it feels like Unreal loads a little bit faster than Unity also. I don't know, there's been a lot of things that I just haven't been liking about Unity, and it sucks that I'm starting to do more stuff with VR chat and building a world in there, but it uses Unity because that's what VR chat's based off of. So their SDK is based off of Unity. And I would I really, really fucking hate how washed out everything looks like in Unity. I think after I get done with showing what the actual issue is with the studio here, in Unreal, then I'll actually like pop over to Unity, just show like the difference in how the texturing and everything else came out. And wait for everything to load up. All right. So if I hit, thanks, Grundle. And I'll give you free Neko with that. Oh, the musics. Doo-doo. Yeah. There's the spaceman. Oh yeah, if I hit play, which would be loading into, if I was playing the game, well, doing the studio stuff like normal. Ah, there's a cast. So it looks normal now, but I move it a small bit, it pushes me out. Because the way it's making the hitbox for this, it's the entire fucking thing. The one big block. So I need to make a custom hitbox for this stuff. Because in the developer mode, it's like got no clip and all other shit. This is how it looks with me just importing it into Unreal Engine. You know, kept all the maps good. This is supposed to be like slightly transparent, but this did okay with the transparency. Hey Jen, welcome Raiders. My name's Magellan. You just call me Mags. I'm bitching about Unreal Engine right now and drinking alcohol. But yeah, so that hidden, I can hit that again. Yeah, it's a you and a Joe. See, like, this is running in the game engine right now. Got the clip in the way, but yeah. I think this all looks really good with the game engine, but I move a little bit and the hitbox pushes me out. So I need to do custom collision box for it to actually fix that issue. Because I tried using simple and I tried using the other collision options that are in Unreal. Another thing I like about Unreal, you can go in here and boop, cap it off, and the lighting is great in this. Wash the face and beat up Joe, okay. But thanks again for the raid. Get out of there. Mm-hmm. 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 But yeah, so that's why it's given that bad size thing on there. The spawn capsule is inside a solid object right now, basically. So just to do things the way I'd like to is like another problem I have is the workbench. I forgot to separate the oh no, the hammer and the screwdriver are there. I know I want to do a custom thing for this, but basically I'm just gonna spend most of tonight redoing custom collision boxes for at least the Unreal Engine side of thing. I know how to do that in Blender. It might still be okay. Well, the same thing with Unity, I don't know yet. But I will say Unity's collision box building thing worked a bit better for me when it came down to VR chat stuff. So, sadly, all this stuff is gonna have to go bye-bye. This, because that's lighting up in there. Make sure I'm not getting rid of anything I don't want to get rid of. Ceiling, desk, door, frame, fun, kitchen. Okay, so that's that all back together. There we go, now it's fixed, since it's no longer messed up. Take that back to world origin. Alright, might as well doop doop doo this out. Now basically end up just importing this piece by piece for the Unity version. I guess on the bright side that means I'll be able to place every individual part and move it around as I wish without worrying about if it's going to collide with other things. Mess things up. So save that real fast. Poop that out. Hi Nix. Let's give him throw some cheese at him real fast. There we go. Boop. Music's a little loud. I can't no more. Hopefully that's better. Hard to hear me? Is it still too high? Oh, much better? Okay. I ended up like dropping it down halfway on the audio mixer. Hey, bunker. It's showing up before. Okay. Just had to switch around stuff. Well, ceiling will probably be fine. The door by itself should be fine. Door frame won't really need a collision box. Toilet wall, shower wall. The room itself will need collision. Alright. To the layout. Keep. That's one thing that gets me with going back and forth between the programs is with Unreal, I'd hold down right mouse button and use the WASD keys to move around. In this, it's the middle mouse button. Achoo. Hello, Kenny Lee. A little disorienting, and I've had a few sips tonight, so. All right. So, don't need this. Actually, we'll just isolate. So the way you do this stuff is side view. It'll probably be better off in wireframe. All the good hellos on FPFL? Wait. Not sure what that'd be. We make it yeah, let's make it a little bit tighter. Should be fine. Take it to top view, expand on X. Scale on Y. Core Keeper? Core Keeper was pretty fun. I still play it here or there off stream. No, I am doing fine. I'm a little bit toasty, but all good overall. Right now, just trying to fix a little error, I guess you could say, I had with importing things into Unreal Engine. Oh, wait. Oh, what am I doing? Delete those. Take the up. Face. That's what I wanted. Well, I've already put it into VR chat for testing. Right now I'm trying to fix up the Unreal Engine side of things because the collision box that's being generated by Unreal for the room is solid. So it's like spawning in an object instead of it insta-gibbing you, it pushes you out sort of thing. That is essentially what's happening whenever I'm doing stuff in Unreal Engine. What? I'll pull it up. Wireframe it so we can see the inside. Inset. Screwed it down. That should be good. Got ads starting in about 4.5 minutes, just to give everybody a heads up. That should be a very basic box for the room itself. So the way you do this, UCX underscore room. So give it the same name as the model that you're making the hitbox for. Click both of these. Be sure that we're object mode. Both those selected. Word FBX. Room. Selected meshes. Y forward. Take off animations. Remove the leaf bone. Faces for the geometry. Sorry. Okay, so that should be that exported. Wait for this for Studio to load up again. So what's everybody been up to? Hopefully everyone's been having a good day, good start of the weekend. I mean, the only thing that could probably make it bad is if you were a Kiwi or a spaceman Kiwi. Oh, it's reading my controller. Okay. Alright, so we go back to display capture here. So here we are back in Unreal Engine, where we left it off at. That folder, bunker, rooms where I want to plan it. No generate. Port. Alright, so supposedly the UCX thing should have brought it in good. Color, roughness, normal. That's all we got for texturing for the room. Color, normal, roughness. Okay. We should be able to drag this in here. Just room with nothing else there. I'm not seeing the UCX that I'm struggling with it. I forget where to check where the collision is. Yeah, all the musics. I think that's part of why I've been part of why I've been doing more stuff in Blender and Unreal. Just getting to listen to music and bullshit with people while streaming it. That's like the one thing I miss a lot of for whenever I'm streaming. Collision. Well, before we mess with collision stuff, let's just see if it all worked. Put this back at origin. The direct sunlight. Oh, where the hell did right there? Okay, I don't want player spawning. Bad size still. Still has the box. Mess up building it in oh, it's way this should have been made is it should have worked that way. Do I have to import that in by itself? Because if we open the model itself... Hey Ika. What is this project? This project is a revamp of my studio. My virtual studio that I eventually plan to hook up to Twitch's API so you guys could use channel points to do random things in the scene. Listen. There's the collision zone again. Sphere, convex. Simple collision. Complex. I might jack up the amount. Making a room. Should be okay. No, this is I think this is Netflix. Yeah, Netflix and NCS. Desperate. Netflix makes a lot of good songs. Hey, Nariko. I don't want to hit with copyright. Oop. That's all set. Yes, yes, yes. How's my night going? My night's going okay. Yeah, a bit. They do a bit. Yeah, Complex looks like it's going. It's got more of a poly count too than I'd care for. Like, one I made up would have cut down on a lot of it. But the more complex one would definitely have the doorway open, because this, it'd be hard to get past having a more poly count this wall, but like, this is okay. Customize collision, blah. Okay. Save. I'm doing the same thing. Thanks for the hydrate. Like, I got to work in my other scene. This should just get rid of collision, period. Yeah. Definitely don't want that. Sorry. Best I can think of is maybe try to make the collision in here, but that can be very messy sometimes. Simplified blocks just completely covers the entire damn thing, or the problem. complex. Yeah. All the aggressive twerking. Raw. Part of the issue. Up. Hmm. Snapping. Was doing it okay before. Now it's just full blown stupid. Hmm. That's what I was talking about. I don't like doing the collision boxes in Unreal here. Okay. Train. Yeah, look at this. Fucking 230 down. Let's try 10. Hmm. To me, that's a good thing. That means Cat's doing more of the arts assists, which I always like seeing people. Okay. This. $235. What's that about dead center? Goes on. That's good. Hey JP, doing as well as I can be doing. Driving myself kooky with damn collision boxes. Yeah, honestly, I was sort of like half tempted to just be sort of lazy for the day. Nice. Did what I thought I was gonna do. Um, box. Put in the kitchen. $234. 3. Put 7. Thought I had to repeat, but oh well. And this one goes all the way down. Right. So I need another one for other side. Why? No, that's because I was looking at the wrong damn spot. 55. Oh, that actually puts it right on. For scale. Doing the X. Damn it. The extent set. So. Yeah, all the survival. Boop. Still. I don't really want them overlapping though. Talks about dead center. Looks about right. Yeah, all the hogs. Is there a pinned comment at the top of the chat for you guys? Just want to make sure it's actually there because I'm not seeing it on OBS because it is blocking chat for me, so. Love that part. With the tiny hand. Yes. Box number. Oh, that actually goes right on the edge there. But want to make sure this box isn't hiding with this. 400, 300. 50. That's too small, I think. That takes that to the edge. Set this at -85. Just put that right in the middle. Yeah. Yeah, still a small gap there. That's the one. Oh. There we go. That puts that right on the edge. Actually got good right deal. Center. Hmm. $100. 50 still going up. 25's too small. 40. Back on my thing. Does it? Looking up some Alright, got ad break coming in about 5 minutes. Just a heads up. Yeah, those are looking fine. What was that? Like picking the edge of the mesh. Okay, so still picking the complex version. So make another one here. Up. That's way too much. 200. 250. Damn it, I keep hitting 295 over and over again. 297. Not dead center again. When that 140 was messing up. Or that a little bit above. Go too far below on that. Damn it. Seven's got the bottom, and the top seems to be fine as well. Alright, time to try to get the middle. Puts about point. Pretty good. And they just need the inside. I have to watch a more in-depth video on how to make custom collision boxes. This should work. Otherwise, I just wasted a good bit of time for. Okay. Okay. Still able to fly out because we don't have that, but stuck on the wall there. If you try to get through there, it doesn't work. But the floor doesn't have one yet. That's that so far. So. That just leaves the floor now. Shot, 3, 2, one shot. Better want to take. Oh, move that back. Forgot to hold down Alt before moving it. Okay, rotate. I'll put that in actual even 90. I might be slightly lopsided. Eat like an bloodshot. 2, 1. Got me bloodshot. Okay. That's the Z. Mm, 450.
Oh shit. Where's the mangoes? Where's the mangoes? Where's the mangoes?
There we go. Oh, inside the wall. Slightly above.
I want it.
Oh, yeah. Play. Floor stops me. Oh. Nothing on the roof yet. Oop. Okay, so that's all working good. That's good, that's good, that's good. Double check the material. Alright, so normals are in there correctly. This is a roughness map, not metallic. That's one thing also messed up. Even says in the name, room roughness. But it still plugs it into the metallic for whatever reason. There we go. A bit better. That's one part done. I'll actually do folder in come into there. Oh, I'm still in developer mode. D. Yeah, carpet looks much better now. It's actually got the right thing for roughness. Yeah, right there on the edge there, it looks like bricks cutting off there. That's part of the normals. That's what a normal map does. It gives the depth without actually adding more poly count to it. All looking good, all looking good. I might have to check the textures out each and every one that I bring in. Okay, try to keep things organized. Room done. Put those there. Because I got a shitload of textures, I'll put all those through there. So I got textures, materials, which I have to double check as I go along with those. And then this will pretty much just have the meshes. So ended up having to fucking just up and do the mesh using the collision using system in here. I know there's got to be a way to like actually make this by itself, like how I had in Blender here with that. Maybe it's not UCX room anymore. Hey Kuko, thanks for the hydrate. I'm gonna have to make another. Yeah. sad thing is, with how YouTube is with its copyright and shit, and not being able to record the audio for that on a separate channel like how the VOD track would for Twitch, they're seeing the stuff happening on screen over there if anybody's watching over there, but they can't hear the redeems. So, them's the breaks, eh? Didn't mean to hit my mic there. But yeah, so the way that I tried doing this, I followed this video right here, but it's 4 years old and it didn't work. Unless I happen to miss a step. I might have to check into this one with custom colliders. But yeah, just looking at that thumbnail, you can tell it's much more to the collision mesh compared to this, where you just go. Showing the collision right there is just this box essentially. Like, I really don't need a whole lot of forgot that I fucking hate wireframing this. Those green lines are where the collision box is for this, and I made it with just boxes, which I guess is fine for a room, a square room like this. Not like I'm planning on putting this out as an actual game. It's just my virtual studio that I'm gonna end up using for randomly just chatting streams and bullshitting with people's. But yeah, this is what it looks like in Unreal Engine. I'm gonna pull up the Unity version here in a second. You guys will see how crap that is. I'm gonna save this for now because I'm gonna have to do this shit all over again with different pieces. Where is it? Come on. Don't need two instances. Open project, we'll see how long this takes. Usually fucking Unity takes like forever to load up. At least the first instance, and then closing it down and opening it back up doesn't take as long, but I did have this open earlier today. Doopy 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 doo. Do 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 do. Dun, 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 dun. Do 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 do. Mm. 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 Yeah. This isn't even like going slow because of me like streaming and having a bunch of other stuff open. This is usually how long this shit takes, even if I'm not streaming. It's just the way it is. Do, 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 boo, boo, boo. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Emma, you can do it. You can do it. The thing is, like, when, as I said, VR Chat is a Unity product. Well, made on Unity, so their SDK is based off Unity shit, and that's what you gotta use. If there is an Unreal Engine option, I don't know of it. I'd much rather use Unreal Engine. You'll see why in a moment. Okay. Loading or what? Seriously. So yeah, this is what it looks like in Unity whenever I imported it in, just like I did in Unreal Engine here. And you can tell the massive difference in how it all like is textured and everything. And I have already tried like where is it? Textures here. Create material. Room. So that there. And sadly, fucking Unity does not have roughness. It's just got smoothness and metallic. That's it. And now, room normal. Yeah. So yeah, it doesn't look as good in this as it does in Unreal Engine. Got more in it, but that's just because I haven't brought in the rest of the stuff in Unreal yet. But like the difference is pretty fucking obvious. But that's what we gotta use for doing this stuff. Gotta get a thumbnail for whatever reason. Fix that. Test last build. Crap, I forget if I put collisions to this or not. Yeah, I did. Mesh collider. The collision stuff's a lot easier in this than in Blender, though. I mean, not Blender, Unreal. I will give them that. I think the same way that this is doing this is almost the same way as if you were going to package a game from Unity and put it out on the market. I haven't tried it myself with any projects, but it is pretty close. Yay, flashbang. Whee! $27 megabytes, not that bad for size. I've joined a public instance. But yeah, see, like, this looks so much duller than in Unreal. I just absolutely fucking hate how it turned out this way. I mean, I think the workbench still looks nice. Maybe like the table here. This I didn't really care about, like making it look real pretty. I might put marble or something on it at some point. Come in here, you got the shower. La 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 la. You got the potty. And yeah. But yeah, this is literally in virtual, in a VR chat. So. Technically, yeah, I do have a working little room that I can chill out in VR chat. So, there's that. Right here, I'm gonna put a computer, and then probably I don't know if I can figure a way to get Twitch chat to be streamed into this game, but it'd be neat to have you guys on the wall here. I have a little chair here that I could sit down, and if I could figure out how to move my camera, which I'm gonna do some other time, like how people using VR headsets can actually like move the camera around and stuff, so that you can see their model and shits. Right now I'm just using some basic ass model that I got here. But I might try to import in my my model from that I use for VSeeFace here. But I need to do some work on it because right now the coat is paired to the weight painting for the legs. So that looked like garbage. I'd rather fix that and see about putting cloth physics to like from the waist down part of it. You know what I mean? Let's see. Oh, it seems okay. It doesn't have any lighting in here, but I can see decently enough. So yeah, I figured out how to get the room in here and test it. I haven't looked yet into how to actually have it as something that other people can use and visit, but who knows, maybe just that whole build and test is enough. Okay, now logging in on stream. Good walk cycle. But yeah, so I got ads starting in about 5 minutes. But yeah, this is the room in Unity. I didn't even bother to try to fix the fucking materials here. Even live on stream, it still looks like crap. And then the Unreal Engine version. I think it looks decent. Sort of annoying that the I do so much fucking extra work on hitboxes. Well, collision for, is that the sun? Yeah, that's the sun. Directional right? No. Environment. Directional. Where you at? Yeah. That's a bit better. A little bit less shadow to the room. So once I get the ceiling in here, then the room itself's gonna be pretty dark. Now I have to put in lights and other stuffs. I think it's pretty good so far. Alrighty. Alright, still being goofy. Cat editor. Either way, okay, so let's see who's live, because it's almost mid. That down, close down Unity. Let's save that. Actually, Nyx is the one that I have pinned at the moment, so let's give Nyx a raid for his debut. Alright, so we got the raid message for those that aren't for both subscribed and not subscribed. You guys can copy whichever one you need. Thank you all very much for popping in and hanging out. Thanks again to Jen Reedslots for the raid. Thank you to Kuko Fruit, JP, Nardico, Ika, Kenny, and Crundlewall for stopping in. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll see you again here on Monday. Till next time. Bye.